Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nizam and I'm an architect. Well, before we start anything, let's start with the basic rules of YouTube. First, subscribe. Second, like the video. Third, comment. And fourth, share it. Well, before we start anything, okay, first of all let me tell you what I'm doing. I'm going to do a tutorial video of few softwares which I use. Alright, but before I start with the tutorials, let me introduce to you few of the softwares which I use. Alright, let's start. First, AutoCAD. It is a software that architects, engineers and many other construction professionals, a lot of people use to get a precise 2D and 3D drawings. Nowadays AutoCAD is used only for 2D, not for 3Ds. For 3D we have other alternatives such as even AutoCAD is giving other softwares like REVIT, 3ds Max, etc. So that is the next software which I use, AutoCAD REVIT. It is an information modeling software to produce consistent and coordinated and complete model based building design and documentation. Alright, so with REVIT I can get a detailed information of a building with every documentation, everything. The next software which I use is AUTODESK by 3ds Max by AUTODESK. Well, it is a software to shape and define detailed environments, objects or characters. Basically you can design anything in this. You can model any person, a place, a thing, a house, a building, whatever you need, you can design it. The next software I use is SketchUp. It is a 3D modeling software for a wide range of drawings, applicable such in architecture, maybe interior designing, landscape, and mechanical, film, video. Most of the field SketchUp is being used. Well, for 3Ds mostly 3ds Max is much better than SketchUp, but it gives more detail I guess in 3ds Max. In SketchUp it's not that detailed. Well, the next software is Inventor. It is a professional grade 3D mechanical design and it gives documentation about it, and also we can do simulations. The next software is Maya. It is a 3D animation software. Well, it is being used by video professionals to create highly professional 3D cinematic animations. The next thing I use is SketchBook. Well, it is basically an expressive drawing or a concept sketching software where you can sketch. If you have a, let's say you have a tablet, so you can just install SketchUp in it and you can just do a rough sketch or a detailed sketch. You can just express your drawing in this. The next thing is DraftSite. It is basically an alternative to AutoCAD. It is also being used by many, but I think most of the people are now using AutoCAD. Well, there is also a creation or editing of a 2D drawing and also a design software. The next thing is CorelDRAW. Well, CorelDRAW is a vector based graphics editor for users to create logos that are used on various images and items such as posters, logos and business cards. Well, the next software which I use is Adobe Photoshop. It is a pixel based and a vector based graphics editor software. It is mostly used by for image creation, photo editing, graphics design. Basically most of the people use Adobe Photoshop. Photoshoppers use, photo editors use, meme makers use. Let's say this is the most common software for photo editing. Alright, so these are the basic softwares I use in my career. Well, there is this is it for my first video. So from next video onwards I'll be starting tutorial. The first software which I'll be teaching you will be AutoCAD. So we'll be starting from the basics, like first understanding what is AutoCAD, and we'll work through, and by the time we finish you'll find the easier way to draw a plan, to draw a elevation, a section. So that's it. Now you know what to do. Give me a thumbs up, like, comment on my video, subscribe to my channel and share the video. Thank you.